Okay, everything is wet sanded on this deck. I'm using an office chair to dolly around it so you'll hear some noise. But all I got to do is go over it with a buffer and she'll be ready to start with assembly. Be able to put all the cleats in, the steering, all that stuff, and take it from there. But I mean, I'll go back over any spots that don't look like they came out okay, but it should be good. I mean, it's looking good already. There's some spots that are already shiny just from sanding. Yeah, all I got to do is go over it with a buffer tomorrow and start rigging it with steering and the electrical and the interior, and I can get this thing bolted together and get it down the road. A couple few odds and ends that I'm still missing, but I should be able to round them up in a day or two. I've already got a few holes drilled for like the cleats and stuff, but this will be one of the last two boats that still have the motor well in it. Yeah. Anyway, this is it. I'll be cutting the dash up after I get it buffed. Be cutting the holes in it for the steering and the switch plate and getting everything going. Should be a lot of progress this weekend. Anyway, thanks for watching.